Comes to things
Yeah,
like
he's
this.
pretty retarded.
It's because he sees a reflection back there.
Well, nigga took a chunk off of that rock. Come on, buddy.
There, yeah, lo veo.
Nah, he probably still sees the reflection, you say?
No, he sees it. Oh my god.
Delicious. Vanilla.
You hear the crunching? It's like spaghetti.
I don't think he'll notice a black one.
Because he's racist?
One.